Thank you for tuning into my channel, guys. Hi, welcome to Tech Tips Beyond, and I will be making series of tips and tricks or hacks for different kind of devices. So just a disclaimer, this is what I did, and it's just my opinion about it. Anything you try and happen to your equipment, it's your own thing. So just take, it's up to you if you want to do that or not. So I don't take any responsibility for anything. Let's just get on with it. I had an issue where the time on my phone was different, and it's giving me a lot of issues. And I wake up in the morning and it's giving me issues. The time was different, like it's showing 1, it's showing 2 o'clock. So it was really annoying. This is a brand new phone. At that time I got S10 Plus. Sorry, the screen protector is not that good right now, but it was a brand new phone when I got it. Few days in, it was giving me an issue. I looked on forums and stuff, and so what I did, let's just get head on with it. So what I did was I went to the settings. Every phone is different. So for this one, I went to settings. I went to connections. I went to mobile networks. Mostly, mobile network is generally mostly same. Android. If you're using Pixel something, it's still gonna say, if you go setting, if you search mobile networks, it'll come up. So even if you search access point, it will come up. So if you go to access point, as you can see, my SP is there. The one that says SP is the original one. As you can see, it's all grayed out, and I can't change it. So let's just get back. So what I did was I add an access point, or APN. It's short form. As you can see, I'm able to edit this. And I added this, and this helped me, but still I think it was giving me an issue. So what I did was I went back, I went to this clock, and in this clock, on world clock, I see that it had different clocks. It had London or any other city it had. I deleted everything from this, and after this I don't have any issues. But before that, I have tried to update my phone. I have tried a lot of things. I tried software update to update my phone to the latest. I have tried, if you search reset, I've tried to factory reset my phone. Every phone is different, so I tried to factory reset. I've done everything before I come to this. I've tried everything. Sorry, just actually focusing here. I do apologize for that. So I've tried factory reset. I've tried everything before, and it actually didn't work. So for me, this thing worked. Number one, APN, adding APN, and number two, going to the clock and deleting anything that was there. So I hope that helps you guys up. Please give us a thumb up, and please like, share, and subscribe. I will be making different kind of videos for smaller hacks. Please help me out. Give a comment. Maybe something help you out. It's gonna help the other people out. I'm just gonna be sharing stuff that I've gone through. Thank you very much for watching Tech Tips Beyond, and stay safe and have a nice day.